everyone, welcome back to CyberChimps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an audio widget on your WordPress website. Whether you want to showcase a podcast, music track or any other music content on your website, this video has got you covered. So let's get started. So we'll do this in 3 steps. Step 1 is to install and activate Responsive Addons for Elementor plugin. Now, to install Responsive Addons for Elementor plugin, go to your admin dashboard and click on Plugins. Now click on Add New Plugin. Here, search for Responsive Addons for Elementor. And when you find this plugin, click on Install Now and then click on Activate. Responsive Addons for Elementor has been successfully activated on your website. Make sure you have Elementor Page Builder installed and activated on your website as well. Step 2 is to add the RAE Audio Player widget on your website. Now, go to the page or post where you want to add the widget and click on Edit with Elementor. Now here, on the left hand panel, search for RAE Audio, and once you find this widget, just drag and drop it where you want to add it. And this is how it will look by default. And step 3 is to customize the RAE Audio Player widget. So now let's start customizing the widget. So the first setting under Content tab is Audio. Click here and upload your audio file here. Supported file formats are MP3 and .ogg. MP3 is widely supported and commonly used, while OGG is a free open format with good quality. Next option is Autoplay. If you enable this option, the audio will start playing as soon as the page or element is loaded, without requiring the user to click on the play button. The next option is Repeat the audio. If this option is enabled, the audio will restart from the beginning when it's done playing. So once you're done with this, let's go to the Style tab. And under Style tab, the first setting is Skin. So this setting lets you choose the appearance of the audio player. So these are the available skin options. So choose whichever you like. So once you're done customizing the widget, go ahead and click on Publish. And then click on Preview Changes to see the live changes on your website. So this is how my widget will display on the front end of the website. So go ahead and play around these settings and customize it according to your needs. And this is how you can easily add an audio player widget on your WordPress website using Responsive Addons for Elementor plugin. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any queries, drop them down in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.